We're going to be returning education very simply back to the states where it belongs.
In an audacious move, US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order to dismantle the US Department of Education. But can he really do it? And what does this mean for American students? Let's break it down. Surrounded by school children at the White House, each with their own version of the executive order to sign, Trump declared, "We are going to shut it down as quickly as possible. It's doing us no good."
The department, we're going to shut it down and shut it down as quickly as possible.
Well, the optics were pure Trump, dramatic, provocative, and instantly divisive. And the backlash was swift. Critics called it reckless, while his supporters hailed it as a long overdue shake-up of a broken system. But beyond the theatrics, what does this executive order actually do? And can Trump truly eliminate a federal agency with just a signature? The order directs Education Secretary Linda McMahon to dismantle the department and reallocate its budget to individual states. Trump accused the agency of breathtaking failures and vowed to return power to local governments. But the question is, can he really eliminate it? Well, short answer, not alone. Though Trump signed the order, only the US Congress can dismantle a federal agency, requiring a 60-vote Senate majority, which is far from certain. Also, what is Trump's reasoning behind this move? Well, he argues the Department of Education has failed its mission. Trump cites declining test scores and insists that states, not Washington bureaucrats, should make education decisions. But does this argument hold up? Well, let's look at the facts. Yes, American students indeed rank behind top-performing countries in international assessments. But the Department of Education doesn't control curriculum or school programming. Its main roles include enforcing civil rights laws, distributing federal aid, and ensuring equal access to education. Functions that critics say will be jeopardized if the department is dissolved. Democrats and education advocates are already preparing for battle. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer called the move one of the most destructive and devastating steps Trump has ever taken. Teachers' unions have vowed legal action, warning millions of students, especially those from low-income and marginalized communities, could suffer. Conversely, Trump's allies, including Senator Bill Cassidy, have pledged to introduce legislation supporting the move. But experts warn it's unlikely to get the votes needed to pass. Also, mounting legal challenges could delay any real impact for months, if not years. So is this really the end of the Department of Education? Will Congress shut it down, or will the courts step in? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to Business Standard for more such videos.